Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So with the recent debut of iPhone 16, many of you guys must be thinking about upgrading to the latest model or a new iPhone. But there's a big concern when making the switch, and that's the transfer of WhatsApp data. If you're switching to Android to Apple, most of us use the application Move to iOS. But there it requires a factory reset of an iPhone to start this transfer process. But today we have a sponsor called iToolab WatsGo, a powerful tool designed to transfer, backup and even restore your WhatsApp chat between Android and iPhones without the need of factory reset. WatsGo make the entire process easy and stress-free so you can keep your important chat and media intact. I actually found this tool very useful in my case. You guys can also give it a try. But now before moving ahead, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So now let's talk everything about this tool. First one, why do we need a tool for WhatsApp data transfer? See, getting a new phone is always exciting. You are ready to set it up, but then you realize, what about all your WhatsApp chat and media? Since most of us have so much stored on WhatsApp, it's essential to keep those memories and messages safe. Moving data between Android and iPhones is usually simple, but switching from Android to iPhone or vice versa can be a real challenge. This is why we need a dedicated tool like iToolab WatsGo to handle this transition without the hassle. So you can keep all your important chats without the stress. Now talking about what is iToolab WatsGo. So iToolab WatsGo is a specialized tool designed to transfer, backup and restore all your WhatsApp data no matter which platform you are switching to. WhatsApp data, I mean everything. Your chats, your photos, your videos, voice messages and more. It offers a range of benefits over other methods like Move to iOS, including not requiring a factory reset. It also supports backup and restore for applications like GB WhatsApp. If you guys are not aware about GB WhatsApp is a modification version of the official WhatsApp application created by third-party developers, and it offers additional features, customization options that the original app does not provide. And along with that, it also supports backup and restore from the WhatsApp business account, and you can restore your entire data from Google Drive too. WatsGo has several standout features that makes it ideal for WhatsApp transfer. First one is multi-directional transfer. You can transfer WhatsApp data between Android and iPhone, iPhone to Android, Android to Android, and iPhone to iPhone, making it incredibly versatile. No need of factory reset, you can transfer data without resetting your iPhone, unlike other options. Then we have smooth and fast transfer. It doesn't take much of time, though it completely depends on the amount of data you have. But WatsGo transfer data seamlessly. Then WatsGo also boosts up to a 90% success rate. And you can even select a specific chat or media file you want to transfer. In past, I've seen whenever I transfer the data from Android to iPhone, out of 3 times, once or twice, the data transfer gets failed. But here, WatsGo has a high success rate. WatsGo application also supports 6,000 plus Android phones from Samsung, Huawei, OPPO, Vivo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Pixel, and many more. WatsGo supports a wide range of devices. So whether you are moving from Android to iPhone or the other way around, iToolab WatsGo makes it simple and accessible. No technical skills required. It's built to be user-friendly for everyone. If you see the layout, it's very simple and clean. No complicated options. Just 3 things you have towards the left side. One is WhatsApp, which includes WhatsApp backup and restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. And the same thing goes with the WhatsApp Business and the GB WhatsApp application. Now talking about how to use iToolab WatsGo for transfer. As I told you guys, it's very simple and doesn't take long. First, you download and install WatsGo on your computer. You can find the direct link in the description below. Then open WatsGo and you'll see options to transfer, backup and restore. First, let's focus on transfer. So here, if you have 2 devices, connect both the devices to the computer, your old Android and your new iPhone or new Android. Or you can say whichever 2 phones you are working with. Once they are connected, just click the transfer. The software handles the rest. It also shows the progress bar so you can see how much it's done. Now, if you're someone who doesn't plan to switch the phone anytime soon, but you just want a peace of mind, let's talk about the backup and restore feature. Imagine all your WhatsApp data safely backed up. No more fear of losing those important chats or photos. This tool has you covered there as well. To make a backup, just connect your phone, click on the backup, and the software will take care of it. In few minutes, your WhatsApp is fully backed up, and whenever you need to restore it, the process is just as simple. Plug in your phone and click restore. This has to be the easiest backup I have seen on WhatsApp. See, I tested WhatsApp Go myself to see if it's as easy as they say. I tried moving chats from my old Android to a new iPhone, and honestly, it was smooth. No complication steps, no missing chats. I had to say it was more faster what I expected. Usually I'm a bit skeptical with these tools because sometimes they are not user friendly as promised. But with WatsGo, I was totally surprised. Just make sure you have both the phones connected properly and you are good to go. And now you guys must be thinking, is it really worth? So let's talk about its pros and cons. Starting with pros, so first of all, it's very easy to use. It works cross-platform like Android and iPhones, supports large files. You also have an option of selective data transfer. Backup and restore are a breeze. When it comes to cons, there are only two things. One is you need a PC or laptop to transfer the data, can't be done alone on the mobile. And second one is you have to purchase a license to have access to all the features. Overall, I would say if you are serious about keeping your WhatsApp data safe, it's worth it. It does exactly what it says and saves you from the hassle of figuring out. So whether you are switching phone, backing up, or just want a peace of mind about your WhatsApp data, this tool is definitely a lifesaver. I'll drop the links in the description below. If you guys want to check it out yourself, you can do that. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.